Ever wished your nails could catch every color of light? Watch this. One swipe, instant holographic magic. Introducing the VVS Holographic Nail Art Kit. 6 boxes of dazzling metallic 3D glitter flakes. Each flake shines with a vintage rainbow glow. Open a box. Pure shimmer, no mess, no fuss. Eco-friendly and safe for every nail type. Start with your favorite base coat. Pick any color, let your mood decide. Don't dry it fully, keep it a little tacky. Sprinkle on the holographic flakes. Watch them dance. Seal with shiny oil for a diamond-bright finish. Cure under UV LED lamp, shine intensifies instantly. Final top coat locks in that multi-dimensional sparkle. Turn your fingertips. Catch a new color every angle. Perfect for DIY beauty lovers and creative souls. Not just for nails, decorate resin, phone cases, art. Tiny box, endless creative possibilities. Salon-quality nails from your own living room. No harsh chemicals, just pure, safe brilliance. Gift it to your mom, wife, or best friend. Every box is individually packed, easy to store. Mix and match colors for custom holographic effects. Step into the light, your nails will steal the show. Vintage hues meet futuristic shine. Questions? Our team answers within 24 hours. Ready to turn heads with every gesture? Get your holographic nail art kit, shine beyond ordinary.